Now let's see if these animals stop being so aggressive toward each other. They're being kind of mean, not gonna lie. You hear that, man? It's pretty windy. No, they're doing okay. You see how thick their coats are? Oh yeah. Super thick. Yeah, good, those two youngins. Oh, here comes some more. Come and get it, guys. Well, you can. Come on. Come on. Come on, animals. Come on. Come on over. The corn is good. They get so mean to each other, though. Smacking each other around. No, this isn't a weapon I'm holding. It's just a grip for the phone. Don't worry. They'll figure it out. Whoa! Hey, buddy! Why you being so mean? He's kicking that other fawn now. Or yearling. That boy's aggressive as hell. Well, that's not very nice. They're mean to it. It's terrible. Oh, look at him. Damn, you guys. Mean as hell, aren't you? Ooh. Yeah, they fight kind of terrible sometimes. Don't you? That's right. Stop being so mean. Don't you be mean. See that cracking? It's just so silent when it's this much snow. I don't know, they're acting kind of skittish. Oh, okay, there we go. There's the other little one, it got some. Don't you be mean to it. That's right. Look at her trying to be bold. Damn, you guys. Always fighting. Well, I get it. If food was scarce, yeah, it's gonna happen. It's bound to happen. You guys good now? Done being so aggressive? Mean old deer. Oh, okay. Yeah, you can tell when they're ready to strike. So even when they you got some, they'll come right up to you, but not this group here. They're kind of skittish sometimes, aren't you? Oh yeah, they're good. I hear them crunching. Oh yeah, it's freezing. What is our temp anyway? Can I see it from here? No. It's a little too blurry. Anyway, the temperature is it's cold. That's the temperature. Look, ooh, look at them trying to be all dominant. You hear that? I think I just heard a gobble. I heard a blah, 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 blah. Maybe that's the wind, I don't know. Oof, look at that. Mean old deer, aren't you? Yeah, they used to bully the bucks in when we first moved here, and no, and then he sprouted horns, and boy, those doe quit picking on him. Now I'm not sure. Some of these yearlings might be bucks. I was trying to figure out how to tell. And last I read, it said if they got more of a square top of their head rather than round, like a doe, that it's a male. Can't really tell yet. I'm sure if we got any young bucks, they're going to be sprouting horns soon enough. Oh, they had their fill. Alright, see you later. You have fun being deer now.